So, Lenovo went all in with the Legion Go S, and if you've been confused about the 4 different models circulating, you're definitely not alone. From Windows versus SteamOS to Z1 Extreme versus Z2 Go chips, it's a bit of a maze. I got the rundown, and we'll break it all down based on real performance, features, and how each version actually feels to use. Let's clarify this. To make this comparison fair, testers used 4 identical Legion Go S units. Same screen, same cooling, same body, just split into 2 CPU types and 2 operating systems. 2 had the Z1 Extreme, the chip we know from the original Legion Go. 2 had the new Z2 Go, Lenovo's lighter chip aimed at the budget market. For each chip, one ran Windows 11, the other ran SteamOS. That's 4 setups. It's like A/B testing for handhelds, providing a clear picture of how each combo performs. Let's talk numbers. Games were tested at 1280 by 800 resolution, and settings were kept consistent across all 4 models. Across the board, SteamOS consistently outperformed Windows by about 10 to 14%. The one exception? Returnal. It ran noticeably better on Windows with the Z1 chip. 51 frames per second on Windows versus 39 frames per second on SteamOS, possibly due to some driver weirdness. SteamOS is simple, smooth, and feels like a gaming console. One unified system for updates, better battery life, and less background stuff, eating power. However, SteamOS doesn't play nicely with everything. Anti-cheat games, non-Steam launchers, or Windows-only apps may not work. Windows 11, on the other hand, is more flexible but clunkier. You'll get full compatibility, but also deal with update prompts, taskbar clicks, and all the usual PC quirks. Here's the thing. The Z1 Extreme absolutely outperforms the newer Z2 Go. Cyberpunk, Forza, or Red Dead, the Z1 delivers consistently smoother gameplay. The Z2 Go feels more like a Steam Deck competitor, not a replacement for the original Legion Go. SteamOS also stretches your battery further. AAA titles on battery, Z2 Go lasts about 1 to 2 hours on Windows, but up to 30% longer on SteamOS. Indie or emulated games, you'll get around 3 to 5 hours. Media playback on both OSs gets 9+ hours in airplane mode. The upcoming Legion Go 2 is expected to offer a 74 watt-hour battery versus 55.5 watt-hours here, so future models might close this gap. In the hand, the Legion Go S is one of the most comfortable handhelds. It's lighter than the original and easier to hold long-term. But Windows on this thing still needs work. The trackpad isn't great, menus are fiddly, and you'll probably be poking the screen more than you'd like. SteamOS is more intuitive, but again, only if your game library plays nice with Linux. So, which version should you care about? If you want the best out-of-the-box experience and battery life, SteamOS is honestly the way to go, assuming your games support it. But if you need full compatibility, especially for online games or Game Pass titles, Windows is still the safer bet. As for the chip, Z1 Extreme is still king. The Z2 Go is fine for indie games or lighter titles, but you'll see its limits fast with newer colorway stuff. Hopefully that clears up the Legion Go S puzzle. If you're stuck choosing between versions or debating whether to wait for Legion Go 2, I'll be doing more breakdowns soon. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.